Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and this is how to find restaurants on Waze. So, I will be discussing the features of restaurants when it comes to Waze. So, open up the Waze application first in order for you to proceed with this process. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply select where to down below. And now from here, as you can see, you will have multiple icons at the top. We have saved, gas, food, parking, groceries, and pretty much you could just simply select more over here if you want to see the other category that you might want to consider. And from here, the best option that you have over here is pretty much the food category to the second option over here. And when I tap on that, and from here, as you can see, you will have multiple options of best match, open now, top rated, and you could filter out the price, the drive-through, and when select more, you will have multiple options over here that you might want to consider when filtering for a specific restaurant that you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.